What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the Moto G Stylus. So yeah, there we have it. As you can see, guys, this is a Moto G Stylus. Now, it's really kind of nice and amazing phone, and it's been released in 2021. And what's so special about this phone up to today in 2022? Will it sustain really great and amazing kind of workflow throughout it? Like, let me say, like daily usage and stuff like that. Is it really enough with this phone? Well, for further ado, let's get started on the video of today. The Moto G Stylus. Well, this kind of phone is really kind of great, and it comes with the two colors, which it's Aurora Black and Aurora White. And the storage side, it has a 128GB of storage and a 4GB of RAM, which is quite not bad for this kind of phone. Another kind of stuff which is so special about this phone, it has a Snapdragon chipset, which it's a 678 processor, which is really kind of great. Another kind of stuff which is so amazing throughout this phone is the camera. So let's talk about the camera side. The camera side, it's really kind of great, and it gives you some endless creativity, and you can just jump around and do things here and there throughout the camera side, and it can shoot video up to 4K UHD, which is really kind of impressive, and a megapixel of 48 megapixel throughout the camera, which it has a quad camera system, which is really kind of impressive. So throughout the Moto G, it's really kind of great throughout the daylight, I can say, but when it's at night, it's a little bit like fighting throughout lightning, so as you can get a perfect shot. But overall, throughout, this phone has a perfect pictures, and I've taken some few pictures which it's really kind of great. You can see here throughout town I've taken this kind of picture, which is so awesome. The way vividly it looks like, it's really kind of awesome. And another kind of picture which I took is throughout the flower, which gives you some combination of different variety of colors on the flower side, and the phone did marvelous. Talking about the macro side through the camera, well, it's almost there, but it's a little bit like stuttering, I can say, throughout getting a perfect shot of your macro photo. So I think if they could adjust on that on the updates, it would be much better, but we all know this is just comes up with the hardware, so not such a big deal about it. Talking about the display, well, this kind of phone has a 6.8-inch display with the FHD plus display, which is really kind of great. On the battery side, it gives you 4000 mAh of battery. That means on this kind of bad boy, it can last for 1.5 days, not 2 days, but it can last for 1.5 days, which is really kind of not bad. On the Moto G Stylus, it has a built-in stylus, which the stylus, you cannot compare it with the Samsung stylus, or you cannot compare it with any kind of stylus out there, because this kind of stylus is not that much giving you enough room. It has a little bit of latency, I can say, like whenever you're drawing something, it's just offset, but overall it's a really kind of great using the stylus, because you can play games with it. You can just do some drawing, some sketching. If you have a kid at home using this kind of phone, it's really impressive. It's like using that kind of kid's tablet drawing side and giving you much better enhancement throughout your kids, which is really kind of awesome. Quite no bad feature, Motorola. Okay guys, that's it about the Moto G Stylus. Well, Motorola did a great job on this phone, and to be honest, it's really performing not quite bad. I can say this is a mid-range phone which gives you some greatness, some goodness throughout the capability. And another kind of stuff, it has a Snapdragon. That's not such a big deal, but overall throughout the phone with that kind of Snapdragon processor, well, it's really kind of worth it. But the downside through this phone, to be honest, as far as I've seen it and experienced it, it's all about the battery capacity. I wish the battery could be 5000 mAh of battery. It would be much great. Another kind of stuff which is a downside to this phone, well, a stylus. Well, I understand Motorola is trying to change the game here and keep up with the stylus and see Samsung what they're doing, or copy pasting here and there, but trust me, having the Moto G series of the phone, Motorola, I remember I used the Moto G series. It was really nice phone, really awesome. Slapping it with the pure Android out of it with some Motorola-ish looking, which it's a really perfect enhancement. But for this one, I feel like Motorola have gone throughout that kind of scheme and they're trying blending in with the trend, how it goes. On the stylus side, it's quite not bad, but it's terrible, to be honest. As a somebody who wants to do some drawing, some good amazing drawing, well, this won't do the thing. It will be like, meh, I'm doing the thing, but it's actually not doing the thing. It's a little bit latency whenever you're drawing it on a certain anything you would like. It's really kind of annoying on that. All on the phone side, it's really quite not bad. So this is the Moto G stylus, and it comes really in handy, to be honest. The display is quite bigger, so you cannot use it with one hand. You can see here, you just go the way using with two hands, just like this way. And the fingerprint, to be honest, on this side, the fingerprint is quite not bad. As you can see, it has a power side mounted fingerprint here, and whenever you just like open it, it's quite not bad. The speed, it's like meh, it's quite decent. The speed is like it's like almost there, but not bad compared to my Google Pixel 4a 5G. Whenever I lock it and try to unlock it, it's just way more faster. Just check this out, it's just way more faster. Or is it a little bit delaying? Come on Google, it's just way more faster compared to the Moto G. It's quite not bad, it's just there, which I appreciate for that. And another kind of stuff throughout this phone, it's just like going throughout bezel-less, but it's not actually 100% bezel-less, but it's like going through the display to be bezel-less. But overall, this is the Moto G stylus, and it's running Android 10 right now. It has been upgraded to Android 11. I got the update today, so it's really kind of great. As you can see, this is the Android 11, which it's really kind of great. And yeah, they're keeping up with the updates, which I really appreciate on that. And yeah, that's what's up about the Moto G stylus. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this phone. Are you thinking about Motorola budget phone? I understand Motorola is like man, I just wanna come on, but to be honest, Motorola are doing a great job throughout mid-range phones, which they're performing really kind of great and quite not bad. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Moto G stylus. Is it this kind of phone worth it for $199 or this kind of phone is worth it for $200 or this kind of phone is worth it for $100? I think that's a little bit terrible to be. But we hope that the pricing, if it drops down well on this phone, it will be much perfect for having a side phone throughout it. It's really kind of worth it. So that's what's up about the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about purchasing this kind of smartphone, which is really kind of great, not bad. And that's what's up. Up to the next one, it's your boy here, Abdurrahim113, and a lot of you guys ain't subscribed to the channel. Come on, support your homeboy here just by doing the thing, subscribing. It will be awesome because we have hit the 4K milestone, and to be honest, without your help guys, we could not reach out here or be out here with everything we have today and reviewing. It's just you guys. That's what's up guys. Up to the next one, it's your boy here, Abdurrahim113, and peace.